Go, Adam.
Hi, JV. Oy, yakap ka pa.
Thank you. Thank you.
Of course.
Hi, JV. Finally.
Sir Adam. Okay.
Kamusta?
Okay naman po. Na-overwhelm ako sa mga lahat na nangyayari ngayon kasi bago po siya sa akin.
You deserve it. You actually,
Thank you.
alam mo, nung the first time I met you during orientation,
Yes po.
you really had that something in
Oh,
you.
thank
Just
you.
probably the way you look.
Okay
I
po.
remember you.
I have a ribbon.
A huge ribbon bow.
Yeah.
On your hair. And so sabi ko, she's really trying to imbibe the Miss World prototype. And now, look at
Yes
you.
po.
One of the voted darlings of the press.
Yes po.
By the
Very.
media. So wow.
Thank you, Sir Adam. Thank you. Thank you to all the pageant media na nag-vote po sa akin to be their darling of the press.
You deserve it.
Thank
really
you.
deserve it. I mean, I can really feel your hustle, your presence, especially on social media. Given this is the first public activity that the
Yes
media
po.
was invited to cover this year's Miss World. So, Miss World Philippines event. And talagang nararamdaman ko talaga yung presence mo, yung hustle mo. You really,
Yes
I
po.
really feel your hunger to win the crown. Tama
Thank
ba yung
you.
assessment ko?
Thank you po, sir. Alam mo, as someone na baguhan po in pageantry, it's really not that easy for me to be the person who I am today. Syempre, I have to give this credits to my team, especially those people who came from Davao City who really flew here to support me in my journey here in Miss World Philippines. At saka sana po, if you have any feedbacks that I have to change, then guys, you are very, very open to tell me. Kasi alam nyo naman, mas nakakaalam po kayo mga pageant media kung ano po yung kailangan baguhin for a Miss World Philippines.
Is this your first ever national pageant?
I can say it's my very first big national pageant. I joined Miss Bikini Philippines if I'm not mistaken, it's like last 2022 or 2021. It's like really right after the pandemic. So, yun po.
And then you went back to school.
No, I was working na as a flight attendant in Philippines. Yeah.
So I assume you're on leave from your
Yes, yeah. I'm very grateful also for my aviation industry company that they allowed me to file a leave. I took a leave for like more than 1 year already.
So, is this really a childhood dream? Kasi
Yes po.
syempre, di ba, mag-leave of absence ka
Opo.
for this.
Ano po, yung pagiging flight attendant or
Or
as a...
as a beauty queen.
A fun fact po, Sir Adam, is that nung bata po ako, lagi po ako pinapadala sa mga Flores de Mayo, sa mga pageants sa mga barangay, sa school. Tapos naging inter-school pageants na din po ako. And syempre po yung lola ko, super supportive kasi nga laki po ako sa lola ko with the limited financial resources. And it's also my childhood dream also to fulfill my lola's dream po talaga, Sir Adam. So,
See you become a beauty queen.
yes. Po, tapos yung lola ko po, di ko po siya kailangan po, I mean, yung lola ko, gusto ko na po siyang pumunta dito so she can see me perform in the big stage po
How do
talaga.
you think she is
Well, I know,
feeling about you right now?
yung lola ko po probably as what I know, kinakabahan na po yun, lalo na nanonood siya ng live. Pero sana po magbago po yung isip niya na pumunta po dito sa Manila kasi takot po yung sumakay ng eroplano. Sana po manood po siya. And live.
Since this is your first ever national pageant, what made you choose Miss World?
What makes me?
No, since you said this is after Miss Bikini Philippines, ito yung parang first major pageant mo, Miss World. And there are a lot of pageant systems here in the Philippines that you could have joined. Why did you choose Miss World?
Oh, I choose Miss World because alam naman po natin sa ibang pageants, ang labanan po natin doon, pasarela, tapos yung mga Latina beauties. And syempre po, di na po ako magsisinungaling, hindi po ako qualified po doon kasi I can see myself as someone who has to improve with pasarela. Yes, yeah, it can be trained. And hindi po kasi ako sanay maglakad ng mabilis. So, I can see Miss World Philippines is something that embodies someone na classy and elegant. And I can see myself being that person.
nakikita ko nga, nakikita. For sure, you have your VWAP.
Yes po.
advocacy with you.
Yes po.
Can you tell us more about this?
So my Beauty with the Purpose is called Panggap Project. It focuses with the elderly by giving them the opportunities that they need so that they can provide something to themselves, like to pay for their basic health care, to buy their medicines and whatsoever. And also, it is something that I can say that it is my way to honor my grandmother.
Oh, because she introduced you to charity giving?
Hindi naman po. Marami po siyang mga friends na mga lolo't lola po na walang mga work. Tapos nahihiya po silang humingi ng mga pera sa mga apo nila, sa mga anak nila. Yun po yun. Kaya sabi ko, this sector or this group, the elderly, has to be appreciated or acknowledged by our country kasi hindi naman po lahat ng elderly nakakatanggap po ng basic healthcare. And with my Panggap project, I help them to have the basic healthcare that they need.
So what concrete steps have you done to implement your advocacy?
I've been to the home for the aged and I provided them the reading glasses. And I went also to I forgot this, Matigsalog tribe in in Davao region also. And syempre, aside that they are from indigenous tribe, there are also a group of elderly that hindi po sila accessible with healthcare. And yung pagpunta ko po doon sa kanila nung December, I was really, sad kasi hindi po available yung doctor natin for the eyes. But I already told the dato natin doon sa Matigsalog tribe na I will come back po talaga right after I win the Miss World Philippines, because I promised them that I will give them the eyeglasses, then probably I can bring a doctor para po ma-check up po sila.
Well, that's a very noble cause. So,
Thank you po talaga.
congratulations in advance. Sana
Thank you, Sir
mag-maintain
Adam.
mo yung consistency, yung momentum mo.
Thank you
all
po.
the way till the finals night on February 3. Good
Yes,
luck.
Sir
Can't
Adam.
wait for what else you'll be.
Thank you, Sir Adam. Thank you.
Congratulations
Thank
again.
you.
Enjoy the new pageant.
Thank you, Sir Adam.
Bye.